Can you copyright an idea? That's what we're talking about today. So let's start from the top. What does copyright protect? So copyright is a form of intellectual property. It protects works, like I was talking about earlier, works of original authorship, and this is including literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works. So this could cover anything like poetry, novels, songs, computer software, architecture, all that kind of stuff. If it is a creative work, it can be protected by copyright. Copyrights are for creative works. Just put creative works and copyrights together in your brain, and that's how you can think about copyrights. Does copyright protect ideas? Let me tell you some of the things that copyright doesn't protect. Copyright does not protect facts. It doesn't protect systems. It doesn't protect ideas, and it does not protect methods of operation. But copyright can protect expressions of those things, right? So here's the reason why it does not protect ideas. Objection, I'm at work and can't troll the chat. You can troll the chat while you're at work. You just got to sneak and do it. All right, here's the reason that it cannot, should not be that you can copyright an idea. And I get this all the time. People come to me, I've got this great idea for a TV show. I've got this great idea for a movie. Here's the reason why you cannot protect copyright protect an idea. And this is the example I like to use. Let's say you've got an idea for a zombie movie and you want to copyright the idea of a zombie movie. The reason that you cannot protect the idea of a zombie movie is that because if you are awarded the copyright of the idea of a zombie movie, you now have a monopoly over every possible zombie movie that could ever be made. Nobody would ever be able to make a zombie movie ever again. Now, you can copyright protect the expression of the idea of a zombie movie, meaning Zombieland, for instance. Zombieland is a movie expression of the idea of a zombie movie. You can copyright that, the expression of the idea of a zombie movie. And that's how I like to explain the difference between copywriting and protecting the idea and copywriting and protecting the expression of that idea. If you copyright the idea itself, it gives you a monopoly, and the USPTO, copyright law, US Constitution doesn't like that. It doesn't want you to have it will squash out, stamp out, quell. It will squash out any creative input from anybody ever again in that space. And, capitalism doesn't like that. Kind of lost my train of thought for a second. Hold on. Let's go to, okay. What do you think of the Music Modernization Act? Kind of a broad question. Great question. And let me put that on my list of ideas that we can cover. Music Modernization Act. All right. We're going to cover that on another day. But we are talking about protecting copyrights, copyrighting an idea, right? And why you can't copyright an idea. And the basic idea is that by copyrighting an idea, you create a monopoly. But there is a rare occurrence when an idea and the expression of the idea merge and they can't be unentangled. And the expression of an idea can only be expressed in one particular way. It's a very rare occurrence. Off the top of my head, I cannot give you an example of that because it's so rare. But in that case, we call that the merger doctrine. And in that case, neither the idea nor the expression of that idea can be copywritten. In that case, they say, nope, can't copyright either one of those things. Jolita Marie, the intersection of IP and antitrust is fascinating. It is super fascinating and super important. Another question I get about copywriting ideas is, can I copyright my website? And this is for all of you business owners out there, people who are legitimizing their side hustles, who have started websites. Ask me if they can copyright their website. No, you cannot copyright the website, but you can copyright the original works of authorship within the website. So if you're using artwork, writing copy, photographs that you took and put on there, those elements of that website can be copywritten.